This is, I just did 2 videos that are about 3 or 3.5 minutes long. I'm going to do one 1 minute. I'm going to skip all the narration. And walk in closer with the camera. That show a couple of things close up, like big sea beastie there. And there are smaller ones mixed in here and there, the sea beasts. The drawing of an eye I did in the inside this old watch case. All right, that's me when I was about 50 years younger, like age 23. Now I'm 71, and the eyes don't see as well as they used to, even though optometrists say I have normal vision for someone my age. All right, there you have it. We're at 1 minute 40 seconds. Thank you, Budgies, for the musical accompaniment in the background there. Good show, jolly good show. Yes.